Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a simple tutorial on how to print numbers from 1 to 10 in Python. Here's a step-by-step guide with a code example. Ensure that you have Python installed on your machine. You can use a Python IDE, integrated development environment, like idle, vscode, or Jupyter Notebook, or simply a text editor. Create a new Python script by opening your preferred editor or IDE. Save your script with a .py extension, for example, print_numbers.py. Then, run the script using the command line or the run button in your IDE. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of numbers defined by the range function. In this case, it starts from 1 and goes up to, but not including, 11. The while loop continues executing as long as the condition, counter equals 10, is true. It initializes counter to 1 and increments it by 1 in each iteration. After running the script, you should see the output on the console, displaying numbers from 1 to 10 in two sections, one using a for loop and the other using a while loop. Congratulations! You have successfully printed numbers from 1 to 10 in Python using both for and while loops. Feel free to explore and modify the code to better understand Python's loop structures. ChatGPT